right, boys and girls, here we are. We are right nearing the end here of November's daily math already. Day 19. Write two 3-digit numbers with a 5 in the tens place. All right, so I'm going to put a 5 in the tens place and a 5 in the tens place, okay? And I need a number. How about a 2? And another 5. Yippee. Oh, that's a 3. Kind of went off the screen there. 4. There we go. We have two 3-digit numbers with a 5 in the tens place. We did it. All right, now let's check this out. 4 minus 5. Oh, more on the floor. Borrow from next door. That's right. Now we have 14 minus 5, which is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 minus 7. Now this one is the numbers the same zeros the game. I made the mistake the other day and I put down, it was an addition problem, and it was 0 plus 0. Just happened to work. Otherwise it wouldn't be normally like that. 7 minus 7 is 0. And then we have the hundreds. 3 minus 2, which is 1. Good job. Alrighty. The area of a 3rd grade classroom is 60 square meters. Write one possible length and one possible width of the room. So 60 square meters means length times the width has to equal 60. Okay? So we could say what times what? Well, we can do a 10 times 6. Right? That would work, wouldn't it? We could do 5 times 12. That would also equal 60, wouldn't it? If you take this number times this number, we should get 60. Okay? All right. Multiply across and down. So first let's go across. What is 4 times 7? So 4 sevens. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. Okay, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 plus 14 is 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens is 28. Okay? How about 4 twos or 2 fours? 2 fours, well, 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, 4 fours. Hey, I remember that problem from the other time, right? That's 16. I remember that one. That's like 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 8, so 8 plus 8 equals 16. 7 times 2, or 2 sevens. That's back to our fast doubles. 7 plus 7 equals 14. All right. Use the letters in the key. So there's quarter, dime, nickel, penny. QD, and P. To show 2 different ways to make 87 cents. So I like starting using the biggest coins first. So I can go quarter, quarter, quarter. That's 75. A dime makes 75 and 10 is 85. And 2 pennies, 86, 87. Okay? Or I could go quarter, quarter, quarter. And then just substitute 2 nickels for the dime. Nickel, nickel. Penny, penny. So 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. There's other ways to do it. As long as we have 87 cents when you count it out, that's what matters most. See you tomorrow for the final day of daily math.